Life will hit you hard. And most people, they crumble. But the strongest ones, they don't avoid struggle. They use it. There's a reason elite athletes push through exhaustion. Why successful people embrace failure. It's not magic, it's stress adaptation. Your mind, like your muscles, gets stronger under pressure, but only if you push through the discomfort. Next time you feel like quitting, do this. Pause. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," reframe it. "This is making me stronger." Your brain listens to your words. If you see struggle as proof that you're weak, you'll give up. If you see it as fuel, you'll keep going. Struggle isn't a stop sign, it's a stepping stone. Every challenge is a test, not of your ability, but of your resilience. And the truth is, most people quit just before they reach the breakthrough. They stop digging when they're inches away from gold. So what's it going to be? Stay comfortable and stay the same? Or lean into the challenge and grow? Your call. But remember, discomfort now is growth later. And the strongest minds, they don't wait for life to go easy. They train for it to be hard.